Back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to address an issue that many Spotify users may have experienced, the app playing random songs from a playlist, instead of playing the next song in order. You're one of those users? Don't worry. We've got a quick and easy fix for you. Before we dive in, if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful app guides. Now, let's get started. First things first, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated the app, open it up and log into your account. Now, let's take a look at the home interface of the Spotify app. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. But how do we fix the issue of random songs playing from a playlist? Let's say you select a playlist and try to play any song from it. After the song finishes playing, instead of playing the next song in the playlist, the app plays a random song from it. This can be frustrating, but the solution is simple. Open a song in the playlist and look for the green arrow icon on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. This is the shuffle icon, and it indicates that shuffle is currently turned on. To fix the issue of random songs playing, simply toggle shuffle off. The green highlight should disappear. With shuffle turned off, the app will play the next song in the playlist after the current song finishes, instead of a random one. That's it. By following this simple step, you can fix the issue of Spotify playing random songs from a playlist. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you soon in our next video.